Tonight, Governor Eric Holcomb and his attorneys are evaluating the next steps in their legal fight against a law that limits his powers in an emergency. We told you last night a Marion County judge is now allowing state lawmakers to call themselves into session to debate the governor's emergency orders. Fox 59 State House reporter Kristen Eskow has been speaking with both the governor and the attorney general today. Kristen, what are they saying about this lawsuit tonight and this decision from the judge?
Well, Dan, when I asked the governor about the ruling this morning, he didn't give any specifics as to what his team could do next. Meanwhile, Indiana's attorney general tells me he and his team are prepared.
This was always a respectful disagreement with the legislature.
That respectful disagreement has involved Governor Eric Holcomb taking his state's legislature to court. Earlier this year, in response to statewide pandemic restrictions, the legislature overrode Governor Holcomb's veto to allow lawmakers to call themselves into special session. Holcomb believes only the governor has the power to make that call. A Marion County judge disagreed, siding with the lawmakers in a ruling issued Thursday.
We're going to review it, and we'll contemplate what steps might follow.
Does that mean you plan to appeal?
Does not mean I plan to do anything at the moment. I'm very open-minded at this.
It was a real win for the people. You know, that's what this has always been about.
Attorney General Todd Rokita says he and his team are prepared to continue arguing on the state legislature's behalf if the ruling is appealed.
My hope is that the best thing is that he just lets it die. We got the answer. Let's go about the real issues here and go about the people's business.
Rokita says it's possible this lawsuit could eventually make its way to the Indiana Supreme Court. Attorneys like Abdul Hakim Shabazz believe that's likely.
It goes to the fundamental rule of our government. It's that who has the ability to call the legislature in? Does the governor have it? Does the legislature have it? Do they both have it?
Now, if the governor does indeed file an appeal, legal experts say this battle could play out in court for a few more months until we get a final decision. Dan?
So, Kristen, to clarify here, does this ruling take away any specific powers from the governor at this point?
No, it does not, and the Attorney General pointed out that aspect of the judge's ruling when I spoke with him this afternoon. It does not take away the governor's ability to call a special session of the legislature himself. Now, the judge ruled both the governor and the legislature could make that call. Dan?
Okay, Kristen Eskow live in the newsroom. Kristen, thank you so much. Of course, we'll have much more on this process and all the news from the world of Indiana politics coming up Sunday on this week's edition of In Focus. Join us at 9:30 a.m. Sunday right here on Fox 59.